Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you know, the government has been pushing electronic vehicles to be used in Jamaica. So we're going to talk about electric mobility policy. Now this allows persons to get a duty concession when they are bringing a car into Jamaica, an electric vehicle I should say, into Jamaica. And it also has basically this policy governs the use of electric vehicles in Jamaica. So let's take a look at the article to get an update as to what's going on, and then we discuss it after. The electric mobility policy will come into effect by the end of June, 2022, paving the way for persons to import vehicles into the island. Minister of Science, Energy and Technology, Honorable Darrell Vaz, said the Cabinet recently signed off on the policy. He said that requisite infrastructure to accommodate the vehicles is in place, as the private sector has established charging stations in several sections of the island. What was important was to give incentives for persons to purchase electric vehicles, which are much more expensive than regular vehicles, and we will have a concession rate of 10%, the minister informed. He said that vehicles no older than 3 years old will be allowed into the island to prevent Jamaica from becoming a dumping ground for older vehicles. Minister Vaz was delivering the keynote address at the launch of Road Safety Month at the Future Energy Source Company FESCO service station on Beechwood Avenue, St. Andrew. The event was organized by the Jamaica Gasoline Retailers Association under the theme Safe Roads Together with Safe Vehicles Help to Keep Our Children Safe. Minister Vaz said that indiscipline on the roads must be treated as a national emergency, noting that no society can prosper with drivers operating without due regard for the traffic rules and the lives of others. The government is doing what it can legislatively to facilitate safer use of our roads, the minister said, adding that the necessary equipment and technologies will be procured as part of the measures to address the problem. Alright guys, that's the end of the article. So basically the government has moved forward and put into place everything that is necessary to allow electric vehicles to not only come into the country but to operate, and they have given duty concessions for persons bringing in the vehicles. So this is definitely a move in the right direction, and we'll keep you guys updated on the use of electric vehicles in Jamaica as more updates come out. I just want to add that BYD, the largest seller of electric vehicles in the world, it's a Chinese company, they are setting up a dealership in Jamaica. So that will definitely help with the use of electric vehicles in Jamaica, because you have somewhere where you can go and service it and get the parts as needed. You don't have to be going to the US or to another country to order parts or have them shipped in. A dealer makes a big difference. And you can go sit down in the vehicle, you can test drive the vehicle when the dealership is up and running, and you get a better understanding or feel for the vehicle. So it's definitely a good move, and we'll keep you guys updated as more updates come out. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.